problem, either by himself or herself, or with collaborators. It will be a research which will have potential important impact on the progress of medicine. And I think that this is also the most important goal of this program. Thank you all.
I do have the honor to chair the first section of this presentation. And every year, this is our 10th year, and every year we felt it's getting better and better. So we are really looking forward to hear all of you to present your hard work.
But of course, we cannot use human beings to do the experiment since the whole brain stimulation mechanism isn't that clear. So we figured out that maybe a disease animal model would be helpful for better understanding.
So your cortical stimulation treatment is done on the most severe.
Yes. My cortical stimulation treatment is done on the 2 meters high drop.
This animal model was confirmed by our and other laboratories. In a behavioral study, the bound-free filament was applied to the center surface of rest.
It's not like you have a lot of data, you have very beautiful data. The paper looks like it has been published, right?
Yes.
So, but I checked the literature, it looks like it.
We conclude the introduction to COX-2 hyperexpression in 5-MTP. The image above can give us an overall idea. As we can see here, 5-MTP is produced by fibroblasts.
You actually measure COX-2 activity in your experiment.
We don't have biochemical data inside 5-MTP actually. Only measure the basic parameters of SLE in the patients, so I can't really answer this question on that.
So here comes our study result finding. So first of all, we definitely need to identify if the bacterial lactose shortage is because of its stronger or if it's because of its more. So as you can see here, we use antimicrobial susceptibility to see if there are any difference between these two groups. And as you can see here, there's no difference.
Test whether the male has higher risk for this clinical situation.
So I just mentioned before, so male sex seem to be like a more vulnerable population.
CRISPR-Cas9 originally is a prokaryotic immune system that confers resistance to the foreign genetic element. It is an RNA protein.
But you are going to inject the product, right?
Yes. As for the testing, now we only think about the vectors, for example, the virus, and as for the proteins, we try to use
inducing epithelial mesenchymal transitions. EMT is a process that the tight junctions of epithelial cells are dissociated and they become mesenchymal cells.
How are you going to address the clinical relevance of your finding?
I think it has to be with help of our hospital to collect the data of the patients and to.
Thank you, my mentor. Okay, let's move to the next section. The presenter is Zhe Zhang, also a student from National Taiwan University. 我还是 advisor is Gu Bolin from Department of Engineering. He's going to talk about the model perspective of cell contraction-induced stiffening of cell populated.
How could this happen? Could we develop a quantitative model to explain this phenomenon? Therefore, we hypothesize that cell in collagen.
Simple way, what is the potential application in this measurement?
Actually, I just try to be more conservative for its possible application.
In our first study, we derived bone marrow cells from
of GNMP, the target.
We have been suspected that the target of gene of GNMP is on the mediated.
So we wonder if that GDF11 has a cardioprotective effect on rat subjects to myocardial IR injury. The next is our material analysis and the results.
Your animal data is a little different from the patient data.
You found the data shows that GDF11.
Have you read the circulation research this year?
This year didn't.
As we can see from this figure, there are a lot of signaling pathways involved in regulating the inflammatory target proteins such as CAX2, and mainly about ROS, MAPKs, and the transcription.
After inhaling to the lung, they can get into the blood and penetrate to the.
We believe that it may enters and travels.
Penetrate into the joint.
Thank you.